You've just downloaded the Cropty Wallet, and you're probably wondering, where do I start? How do I use it safely and without any stress? Many beginners think that a crypto wallet is something complicated, something only for advanced users. But in reality, Cropty Wallet is designed so that anyone can understand it in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we'll walk you through everything step by step: how to set up your wallet, how to add funds, how to send and receive crypto, and what extra features the wallet offers. Let's get started. First, before you start using the wallet, you need to download it and go through a quick setup. Open the App Store or Google Play and download Cropty Wallet. Once it's installed, open the app, tap the menu icon, and choose Sign Up. You'll see a simple registration form. Select the option that works best for you and create a strong password. And that's it. As soon as you complete the registration, your wallet is ready to use. On the main screen, you'll see your balance in different currencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. You'll also find three main actions right here: receive, buy, and send. There are also two extra sections: earn and crypto lending. We'll come back to them later. The wallet section shows all your assets. You can scroll down to view the full list of coins you hold. To check your transaction history, tap the icon in the top right corner. Here you'll see every action made with your wallet. To view notifications, tap the bell icon in the top right corner as well. This section contains all alerts, login confirmations, transfers, and system messages. You can also open your account settings by tapping the icon in the top left corner. Here you can enable or disable notifications, turn on biometric security, Face ID or fingerprint in the security menu, change the app language, check general settings, and contact support. Now let's take a look at how to receive crypto into your wallet. On the main screen, tap Receive. Choose the cryptocurrency you want. For example, USDT. You can copy your wallet address or use the QR code. Send crypto from an exchange or from another wallet to this address. You can also share this address with someone who wants to send you funds. Once the transfer is confirmed on the blockchain, the money will appear in your wallet balance. Now let's take a look at how to send cryptocurrency. On the main screen, tap Send. You'll see two ways to send funds: through the blockchain network or to another Cropty user using their email, phone number, or nickname. Transfers between Cropty users are completely free. Let's go through both options. Sending through the blockchain network. Choose this option and you'll see a simple form. Select the currency you want to send. Enter the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code. Choose the network. Enter the amount. Then tap Send. A confirmation code will be sent to your email or phone. Copy the code and paste it into the app. Tap Confirm. That's it. The transaction will be sent to the network, and you can track its status in the History section. Keep in mind, some coins, like XRP, require an extra field called a memo or tag. It helps the receiving system credit the funds to the correct account. If you send a transfer without the required memo, the exchange may receive the transaction but won't know which account to credit. You'll have to contact support to fix it, so always double-check if a memo is needed. Sending to another Cropty user. Choose the option for internal transfers. Select the network. Enter the user's nickname, email, or phone number. Enter the amount. Tap Send. You'll receive a confirmation code. Copy it and enter it into the app. Double-check all the details, then tap Confirm. Done. The transaction will be processed instantly, and you can see the status in the History section. Now let's see how to buy cryptocurrency using Cropty Wallet. On the main screen, tap Buy. In the pop-up window, choose your country, select the cryptocurrency you want, and enter the amount you're ready to pay. Cropty Wallet will calculate the rate and show you a list of trusted services where you can complete the purchase. At the bottom of the page, you can also choose the payment method and review all the details. When you're ready, tap Buy. You'll be redirected to the provider's website. Here, you may need to double-check the information or fill in a few additional fields. Some services may ask you to pass verification. For example, confirm your phone number or upload your ID and photo. Once everything is completed, your order will be created. After the purchase is processed, the funds will arrive in your Cropty Wallet account. Cropty Wallet also offers two special features. You can take a crypto-backed loan, or you can deposit your assets and earn passive income. We have separate videos that explain both of these options in detail. Make sure to check them out. It's very important to manage your assets responsibly. A crypto wallet is a safe tool, but you should always follow a few basic security rules. Double-check the address before sending. Carefully review all the details you enter. Pay special attention to the recipient's wallet address and the memo, if it's required. Whenever possible, use a QR code to avoid mistakes when copying. Enable all security features. Turn on fingerprint or Face ID login. Set a PIN code for confirming transactions. And don't forget about two-factor authentication. Protect your personal data. Download the app only from official stores, App Store or Google Play. Never enter your login details on third-party websites and never install unofficial apps. Test transfers with small amounts first. Before sending a large transaction, make a small test payment. $1 or $2 is enough. And finally, keep the app updated. Cropty Wallet regularly releases security improvements and new features. Updating your app helps protect you from possible problems. As you can see, using Cropty Wallet is incredibly simple. From installing the app and making your first deposit, to sending crypto, taking a loan, and even earning passive income. Cropty Wallet gives you full control over your digital assets and makes working with crypto easy in your everyday life. So go ahead, download the app, try it out, and see for yourself. Cropty Wallet is both simple and secure. See you in the next videos.